Okay, so got a Maven project here, MUQ, so got the assignment here. So we got public class MUQE for private interclass node to store the Q elements, private E data, and I typed some of this out here. Private E data, private node E next, public node E data, this dot data equals data, this dot next equals null, and member variables for the front, rear, and size of the queue. And then the constructor, and then enqueue, you add an element to the queue, create a new node, and if the back is null, then you set front and the rear to that. Otherwise, you say that the one that was at the back, it now points to the new node, and the back is the new node. So, like, say if you have like the back, well, say you have like 1, 2, 3, and 3 is in the front, and you add and so like 1 dot next is 2, but we want to add 4, so it'll be add 4 to get 4, 1, 2, 3. So then we'll say 4 dot next equals, I mean, the new node is in the rear, so, and then like currently the rear is 1, and 1 dot next is 4, because it's like first you process 3, then you process 2, then you process 1, then next after 1 is 4. So it's like 1 is 3, 2 is 2, 3 is 1, and then 4 is 4. So it's like currently rear is 1, and the next thing after 1 is 4, and then we also say the rear is now 4, it's no longer 1, and then we increase the size. Now if we DQ, we set if the front is null, then we return null. Otherwise we say we have this right now, and 3 is leaving, so what we do is we store this data. So what we'll end up is like with that, and then you might have a case where the rear becomes empty after DQ, the size goes down. So the front is currently 3, and the DQ data, so we were returning 3 here because 3 is coming off, and then the next thing after 3 is 2, and now we say 2 is the front. And then peak, we're just returning the data. Size, returning the size, and then check if it's empty, just check if the size is 0. And then for the demonstration here, I need to update this. Oh no. Maven uses app, so we're creating a new queue. Then we're gonna start add 1, then 2, then 3. Then we're gonna print the size. So there's 3 elements, and I can run it again. And then we're peeking, and we see, okay, the first element is 1. Then 1 leaves the line, and the top element is 2. Then 2 and 3 leave, and then the queue's empty, and that's true. So it's pretty simple. That's the end of the video.